Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Vince Blog. So we have here our uh, today's work, and we have three pieces, 500 synchronizing, and we will do it for today. And this one is having an options with uh, webnet connections and GPS, and we are also do the configurations for that. This one is I hope we can finish this project today, and we're going to prepare outside for the connections, and also the configurations. If you say preparations, this is including the configurations, the wiring connections, our load bank, the preparations for the oil and coolant, and the rest of it is the final test for the synchronizing and the breaker closing, voltage adjustment. This is how the process of doing the synchronizing. So we must check every details of our configurations, so we are make it correct this project. So let's go outside so we can do the preparations. So here is our three pieces, 500 kVA, and here is our totalizing panel. So this breaker is 800 amps. So of course we have also the city of 600 amps. So here is our control, and I cannot bring you up because it's too higher for me. I cannot reach out. So this is our load breaker. So this one having 2500 amps total. So we're going to adjust the micrologic switch for this, so it will work if it is at the overcurrent scenario. So the breaker will trip automatically, and for our safety. So this is the back view of our totalizing. So for now, we're going to prepare the connections for our battery, so we can do the configurations after these preparations. So all of it we're going to connect to the battery, so our module having a supply for so it is ready to do the configurations. So now I am bringing all the 240 cable for our power connections, for our load bank connections, so we can prepare those connections for our generator, which is three pieces. We need all of these connections should be connected to our totalizing each of the generator, so we can make the proper synchronizing. So this is supposed to be in every each of the line having two sets of a line. Like for example, line 1, line 2, line 3 should be two pieces cable to 40 for each line. So for now, I'm connecting each of the generator for our preparations. You put also 13 bro for the neutral. You put 13. Okay, since we are done for our power cabling and it is fully connected each of the generator, so I think it is time to prepare for our communications connections and for gen-to-gen connections. So we will be ready for the configurations after we connected this cable. So this time I let my team to do the configurations for each of the generator, so at least they will be familiarized also. We are ready. First generator to start, and first we're going to crank first, but I cannot reach the relay, so I will remove the relay from here. And we're going to crank it, bro. Have alarm? Huh? Yeah, just reset it. No? Okay. Start, bro. What is that? Yeah, crank. I remove the relay from here. Yeah. Power up. Yeah.
Right already.
But this one I did not put the oil.
This two I put. Right already.
Start. What? Ewan ko bakit ganun. Dapat isa lang naman.
Ang bira.
Kasi hindi naman to nagagalaw pag
Kaya nga
nilagay. Yung dapat doon to nakalagay sa ano. Naglagay na lang ng slot para dun sa communication para makuha yung ano nito. Para kung ilipat at gamitin yung module na yon, makikita yung ano. Siguro ang gusto lang nila niyan para makamand nila to or ma-monitor.
Kahit naman isa lang, kaya nilang i-control lahat ng generator eh.
Yung hindi ko alam kung anong
Ang daming nilagay ang putya. Ang gawa nila, naka-cable tie lang yung sigaw.
Hindi naman dapat ganyan kasi sa katagalan nagtatanggal
yan.
yan.
Yan eh.
Dapat dati naka ano naman eh, naka-isko. Hindi ko yan naka-config. Sige lang, kaya ko na to.
Kung na ako pag-adjust eh. Wala, absent din si Abe, absent si Iwan eh.
Walang problema sa akin dito. So this time I encountered some trouble, so I need to check each of the connections one by one in order to find what are the problem of this generator, why it is not continue running, and I'll double check the alarms why it is not properly running. So I use here the computer or my laptop in order to check what are those problems. So I use also the AST toolkit for our diagnosing. Ayaw pa rin gumana. Kaya nga, walang voltage. Walang voltage na lumabas dyan. Start ko ulit. Start ko ulit ha. So now we're going to put the load for each of the generator. Bakit wala? Yeah. So there's no voltage. I will check the load breaker. This is 400 kilowatt. So we have 100% load. Let's check outside if it is okay. So load is okay. We are at perfectly working. I will start to the second generator because we started at the third generator. So we will start to the second and then the first. So now we're going to open the breaker. So we're going to put the load for our second generator. Same load, 400 kilowatt. Mataas. So let's check. Remove the load. So let's start after this the generator number 3 and I mean generator number 1. Going to put the load. So after this, we're going to do the synchronizing, manually close the breaker. We have at 100% load, and we will check it there if it is okay. So we will remove the load. And after this, we're going to do synchronizing. So we'll start the second. Ha? Mag-sync na ako! Sync for the 3 generator is successful. Now we're going to put the load for 3 pieces 400 kilowatt. Now should be 1000 plus. So calculator. 100% load for 3 generators, so total of 1200 kilowatt full load set of generator for 3. So after this, we're going to do the synchronizing automatic or automatic synchronizing. They will put auto and then they will command automatically close the breaker and sync automatically. So we'll now remove the load. Everything is fine. There is no problem at all. So now we'll go there and put the auto synchro. Auto. Ha?
Alas kung niluwat ng difference kada kwan.
Yung movement.
Mataas ang konti, babalik ang kapatid. Alas kung niluwat ng difference ka. Doon dahil, yung frequency na stable ka. Okay, may ko naman.
Nag-abot ba ng 100% din?
Umabot. Almost 401, 399. Yan ang naging kwan niya. Kaya nagtumal ako.
Auto natin. Para mamatay yung dalawa. Dalawa auto. Mag-load lang ako ng ano. So the auto generator is already shut down because it is cooling down already. So I will put 80% of the load.
Gawin mong pang dalawang genset lang. Ang gagawin natin doon sa patatlo, imamanual natin to
Okay.
para kuhain ng number 3 yung kwan.
So ano lang siya? So 800 kilowatt.
Oh.
So this set for good for 200 two generator the load. So we will shut down the rest of first generator or second generator, so it will transfer to the load. So we will test it like that. Again 80% and then 80%, so the other one will transfer. So we're going to start back and put 400 kilowatt. So 400. Still not. So that one. Antayin muna natin to. So we're waiting to the other generator to sync before we put the load. So second generator is start, and now we're waiting for automatic sync, and then we will add it 80% of the load. So now it is synced, so I'm going to add the load. So it's supposed to be, I put only 600. Third generator is now running, and we will put 800 kilowatt, right around 800, yeah. So I will add. So we're waiting to close the breaker automatically. So now it is closed. We will add it more the load. I think that is enough. Yeah, that is enough. So we will try to shut down the other generator so it will transfer to the other one. go outside so we can see what. So now we are done. So it's perfectly working. So we remove all the loads and make it cool down for the three. So we are succeed for our synchronizing today. So after that, we're going to do the finalizing.